Alright, let's not waste any time. This is the only ExpressVPN tutorial you ever need. I'm going to show you everything from desktop and mobile setup to browser extensions and all the key features you should actually use. Use the timestamps below to zoom to get the part you need. Ready? Let's dive in. Starting with the desktop setup. First up, installing ExpressVPN on your computer. Head over the official website, click download and follow the on-screen steps. It's just like installing any other app. The process looks nearly identical on both Windows and macOS, as you can see on the screen right now. One quick note, ExpressVPN requires a subscription to use. They offer several plans including the basic, advanced, and pro tiers, each with different features like simultaneous connections, protection levels, and extra tools such as password manager and dedicated IP. You can choose the plans that fit your needs directly on the website. Once you install ExpressVPN and logged in, you're all set to connect, and trust me, it's super easy. To get started, simply hit the power button in the center of the app. This will automatically connect you to the fastest server available. Perfect if you just want extra privacy and a quick, stable connection. But if you want your location to appear in a specific country, click the three dots next to the location name. You get a full list of servers when you can search or scroll to find the country you want. You can even expand each country to see all available cities or states. Now you may be wondering, if connecting is this easy, is it actually secure? Here's what's happening behind the simple click. ExpressVPN encrypts all your internet traffic, turning your data into unreadable code that no one, even your internet provider, can decipher. They use top-tier encryption protocols, and all the servers are RAM-based, meaning any data wiped clean every time the server reboots. Additionally, ExpressVPN adheres to a strict no-log policy, meaning it never stores your browsing activity or personal data, and to back that up, they regularly go through independent audits from leading cybersecurity firms, so everything's verified, not just claimed. Alright, let's suppose the settings because this is where ExpressVPN really shines. Click the three dots again and open Options. A new window will pop up. In the General tab, you'll find a feature called Network Lock, also known as the Skill Switch. Keep this turned on. It protects you from IP leaks if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, which is crucial if you're torrenting or using public Wi-Fi. Next, there's Split Tunneling. This feature lets you choose which apps go through the VPN and which one don't. For example, you could route only your browser through ExpressVPN for streaming phone shows, while your games or other apps stay on your normal internet. In the Account tab, you just see your subscription info. Nothing fancy there. Now let's check out Advanced Protection. Here you can block trackers, malicious websites, and auto content, and even ads. I recommend switching them all on, especially the ad blocker. It completely clears up my browsing experience. Another great tool here is Threat Manager. It prevents apps and websites on your device from talking to known trackers or shady third parties. Next up, the Protocols tab. Here you can switch between VPN protocols. All of them are secure, but I personally stick with lightweight UDP. It's the safest one in most cases. Still, feel free to experiment depending on your network. Results might vary. The rest of the tabs like shortcuts and browsers are mostly self-explanatory, so we will move on. Now that you know the desktop app, let's talk about the browser extension. You can download it from your browser extension store. It's available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. The extension won't work unless you install the desktop app. But once you've done that, you can control the VPN directly from your browser without opening the desktop version. To change your server, open the extension and scroll through the location list. It's that simple. I also recommend enabling two key privacy options. Location spoofing hides your real physical location. Block Web RTC prevents leaks that could expose your true IP. Remember that extension only protects your browser traffic. If you want full device coverage, you need the desktop app running in the background. Overall, the extension is lightweight, clean, and convenient. Still, I wish ExpressVPN didn't require the desktop app. Competitors like NordVPN and Surfshark let you run extensions independently. Before we wrap up this session, there's one more thing. ExpressVPN Keys, a separate browser extension that works as a password manager. It can autofill save logins on any website and you can get it the same way directly from your browser extension store. Alright, let's move on to the mobile apps. The good news is that ExpressVPN's interface looks and works the same across platforms, so feel familiar right away. Download the app from your App Store or Google Play, log in, and you're ready to go. There's even a 7-day free trial so you can test it before committing. Once inside, tap the power button to connect. To switch servers, tap the location name below the button or use the search bar to find another country. Let's check out the settings. When you tap on the add-on section, you see several advanced protection options such as block trackers, block malicious websites, block ads, and block adult sites. I recommend turning on all of them to make sure you get the highest level of security. Then, go into VPN protocol, where you can choose between several options. Again, I stick with lightweight UDP because it gives me the fastest result, but feel free to test them all. Another useful tool here is Key Password Manager. Tap on it, follow the quick setup steps, and you'll be able to save password right inside the app. Once that's done, ExpressVPN will automatically fill your logins for apps and sites. It's super convenient. In addition, ExpressVPN also includes a built-in speed test feature that lets you check your download speed, upload speed, latency, jitter, and packet loss. This helps you quickly evaluate your network quality and choose the best server for your connection. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use ExpressVPN on any device. It's beginner-friendly, secure, and have high performance on both desktop and mobile. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next VPN guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.